What's up, guys? Today we are back, and today we're just looking outside the window, and my mom and me are here. There's my mom. Nah, there's my brother. Look outside.
It's raining!
No.
Yeah.
What's it called again? Hail. It's raining hail.
And it's raining tacos.
Look, let me show you outside. From here, my dog's like freaking out. But look outside, watch. I'm legit outside and it's raining. It's legit raining. So, yeah. You guys, I hope. Ow, it just rained on my. And now it's raining. So, yeah. It's crazy because the weather wasn't that good. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So, yeah. Thank you.